my first unboxing video, and it's this package that I just received in the mail. I was about to open it and I thought, why not film an unboxing? It would be really fun to share with you my first impressions, so I just kind of turned on the camera and I am not ready for it in any way. The product is from Merit Beauty. They have kindly reached out and asked if I would like to try some of their products. So Merit Beauty is a new brand, I think, and they are clean, they're vegan, they're cruelty-free. They have a very minimalistic approach to how they come out with products and collections. So I like how everything seems really intentional and it's curated. And so I'm really excited to try this brand out. I chose 2 products. I'll open it and I'll show you what they are. Okay, so let's see. So first impression, love it. It says less is more. And there's a card. It says, beauty and self-care have reached a fever pitch. A saturated market with products coming out every few days, palettes with 50 colors when we only use 2, and more addition to the list of what it takes to look good. This year, we've reset. We learned we don't need much. We are accustomed to bare nails, natural hair, and days without makeup. We're indulging in comfort and minimalism and brands that bring us more with less. Merit was created to reimagine luxury beauty by making it well-edited, holistic, and accessible. We're focused on responsible luxury, creating products that are safe for the body, skin, and planet, essentials that have earned a place on your vanity. We believe that less is more. I love this messaging. I mean, this is very much in alignment with my values, and I am excited to check it out. The box is made from post-consumer waste and 100% recyclable. Always a good thing. So everything came in this really cute pouch. Okay, so inside you'll see that I have chosen 2 products. What I got was the tinted lip oil, and I chose 2 colors. There's Au Naturel and there is Marrakech. This is a really nice packaging. I didn't put on lipstick for this video because I knew I was opening up lip products and I wanted to try it on camera. So let's give it a try. So if you saw my video on 10 beauty products that I no longer buy after decluttering, lip gloss is one of them. And at first I thought this was a lip gloss, and I realized after reading the description that it's actually called a lip oil. And I was really intrigued because I have really dry lips. And this is not sticky at all. And I really like the color. This is a very natural color, exactly the type of color that I like. This is a win. I really like this. Okay, so let's see the other one. So this is the color Marrakech. So you can compare the difference if you are wondering which one to get. I guess I should remove the lip color before I try this one. I will be right back. This is a really nice color too. So this is just a little bit more color than Au Naturel. Yeah, I do really like it too. Based on first impression, my preference would be this one, which is the first one, because it's a little bit more natural looking. But there are days when my lips are super pale and I just want a little bit more color. Then on those days I would probably use this. I don't know, I actually like both. It's really hard to choose. Are they different? I don't know. The one on the bottom is Au Naturel and this one on the top is Marrakech. So they're pretty similar but slightly different. Marrakech is a little bit more red and Au Naturel is a bit more natural. I don't know. I'm really bad with words. Anyway, I do really like how these feels on my lips. They're not sticky at all, which is one of my requirements. And I like that it's a lip oil, so it's kind of like a 2-in-1. You don't need like lip balm and then lipstick. So thank you, Merit Beauty, for sending these to me. And I hope you enjoyed this video and the color comparison. And until next time, choose joy, live well.